Okay, so WebEx and Equinix. This is just going to be a quick short video on both the WebEx service, what it offers, and how it can be used along with WebEx to ensure high quality video. Okay, so first off, what is Equinix? What service do they offer? They basically offer rack space. They offer rack space at the edge of the cloud provider's backbone and data centers. You can see here in the picture that it sits between the customer network and the WebEx data centers, that you're extending layer 2 all the way out to the Equinix, and then you can peer at layer 3 with WebEx itself. With the rack space at Equinix, you can place your equipment and then turn up an MPLS circuit that terminates on that equipment. The end result is that you basically extend your internal network all the way to Equinix, and that essentially allows for a direct connection to the WebEx service. And for those of you that are familiar with voice and video, that means you can, for the most part, maintain end-to-end QoS and thus high quality. This is opposed to simply dumping the traffic on the internet where anything can happen to it on the way to and from the WebEx data center. Another point to make is that Equinix offers this service for a large number of cloud providers like Microsoft and all the others, so you can use it for stuff like O365. It's not just a UC thing. So when do you want to use it? When does it make sense to use? The service isn't free, and MPLS circuits obviously aren't cheap. The answer is if the quality is worth a lot to you. Obviously, just dumping the traffic onto the internet is going to be a lot cheaper, but if the organization doesn't tolerate a lower quality and is willing to pay for this, it's a great way to not sacrifice the quality. The service is exploding in this massive push to the cloud. Organizations everywhere are getting mandates to go to the cloud for everything they can, and this is how you can do that without sacrificing any quality. So that's pretty much it. If you found this helpful, hit a like and subscribe, and that way you won't miss the next video.